Yeah, hello again. Taking a little train journey from Barcelona up into the surrounding hills to Floresta. Yeah, it's quite a trendy, hip area, just nestled, hidden away in the hills. Free book library. Yeah, this guy. I wonder if he's a local dude. Anyway, rest in peace, whoever you are. Oh, seen that dog before. Hello doggy, don't bark. I thought it was a dead end. Okay, I'm going up. The first stairs I take lead to nowhere. Hey. Hello. Oh, look at your blue eyes. Hello. Wasn't expecting you. You're very cute. You always make videos better, you cats, when you appear. Be careful of the road, because I hear a car. Get out of the way. I don't want to be filming an accident. Out of the way, cat. Ridiculously good. Wow. Now there are walking paths into these woods. And one time I was up in the hills, I came across a wild pig. I was ready to jump off a ledge like this. I thought it was going to come charging towards me, but it ran off down into the town. So yeah, this is a nature trail. It goes all the way to the bottom of this hill. I'm not sure where it leads to. Boy, Jesus! This isn't a dead end. Let's see. Oh, hello, cat. Hello. I disturb your sunbathing. Alright. Video. That's a house. Damn. Gonna have to go up the road. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my word. Jesus. Oh my word. And they got probably one of the best views